Everyone is looking for a way to make their kitchen experience a little easier. If you've got the perfect setup and you spend no time cooking things precisely the way they need to be with no failures, then you're one of the rare ones. We all work too hard to be held back by archaic kitchens, and there might be something out there that you haven't considered. It's just waiting, ready to improve your life for the better. Today, we're going to dive into the depths of some of the best kitchen gadgets out there, so you don't need to wonder which ones work or are worth your time to begin with. From the big to the small to one on the list that you probably never thought of, you never know what little item might be able to change your life. So, why not? Clear out your cabinets, make space for 13 of the best kitchen gadgets you can get on Amazon for $50 or less. Let's get started. Number 1 is the Chef and Veggie Chop hand-powered food chopper, even quicker and less annoying than the predecessor, a slap chop, with 100% fewer infomercials screaming at you. Your prep time is probably holding you back, or it's stopping you from cooking altogether. Look, most people hate chopping up everything, and they might not have the money to shell out on an expensive kitchen food processor. All you need to do is place all your ingredients in the bowl, lock the lid on top, and pull the cord to twist and spin the chopping blades, and in no time, you'll have perfectly prepped plates like guacamole, ready to serve. It's only $14, but can you put a price on convenience? I don't think so. Moving on to number 2, the Inspiralizer. Stop wasting your money on pre-spiralized noodles when you can do it yourself. Veggie noodle fans, rejoice! This tool is for you. So you can turn just about any vegetables into noodles, including different shapes and tools. $35 gets you this and everything you'll need to get started, which sure beats spending $8 on a single vegetable from the produce section, right? It is a bit big, but if you're on a diet or changing your lifestyle, it's going to save you tons of money down the line. Number 3, the clip-on food strainer. Why do you need a strainer on its own when this one works with the bowls you already have? It's convenient, it's simplistic, it's a clip-on food strainer that clips onto the side of your standard metal bowl and can strain out anything from water to meat grease, and for just $11, you can get rid of one more useless thing from your kitchen and tuck this away way easier. Number 4, magnetic oven mitts. Small kitchens require ingenuity, and why are you still wasting valuable cabinet space or drawer space tucking your oven mitts away? Even worse, have you ever forgotten where you put them and needed to grab a towel to pull something out of the oven? No? Just me? Well, anyway, for $33, not only will you be able to stick them on the fridge cleverly and in plain view, but also you can use them on the hottest of dishes. The strong silicone ribs will keep you safe and keep the pan firmly in your hand, and honestly, they just look good, don't they? Number 5, pineapple core. Pineapples can be tricky, so why struggle any more than you already have to? If you're working with the actual fruit instead of the canned stuff they sell in the aisle or the pre-cut ones in the produce section, chances are you're already a professional. But why work harder when you can work smarter? For just $11, you can do just that. Don't peel the pesky, sharp skin off on your own. This simplifies it by a lot, coring it out and cutting the fruit into perfectly round rings ready for that fancy pineapple upside down cake you're probably cooking with it. Good guess, huh? Number 6, the cutting board drawer. When you're trying to keep your food from getting cross-contaminated, you'll have multiple cutting boards. The downside to having various cutting boards is that you'll have to store them, and nobody has that kind of kitchen space, do they? This cutting board drawer will solve all of your problems. It looks good, functions as an attractive charcuterie board when needed, and can fit up to 7 dishwasher-safe chopping mats inside. What more could you ask for? Number 7, multifunctional fruit and veggie tool. Now don't let my use of the word multi-tool lose you. This is really the all-in-one. Compact? Absolutely. It's a masher, squeezer, avocado scoop, citrus cutter, apple cutter, grater, and more. If you're limited on space, you might benefit from being able to cut down, and you can do that with this all-in-one gadget that literally has all of your needs in a straightforward package. And for just $16, you may never need another tool again. Hey, before we go any further, let us know down in the comments something you can't live without in the kitchen. It can be anything from a unique tool to an easy grinding pepper shaker. Everyone's kitchen tools are a little different, and it's always interesting to see how other people do it. And while you're down there, leave us a like if you're enjoying this video so far, or maybe subscribe to the channel for more hot tech tips and gadget videos just like this. For now, keep on watching. We've got a few more to go. Number 8, self-leveling measuring cups. Nothing is more tedious than having to tamp down and level off your dry ingredients when you're trying to bake. Recipes are precise about things. This nifty little gadget eliminates the need for dirtying a kitchen knife to help you scrape items off, so you too can have the most accurate measurements out there. Super easy to use. You just squeeze the handle on the cup, $18, and you're taking one more annoying task out of your hands. Number 9, pulled pork shredder. Shredding any kind of meat can be a massive task that nobody wants to do. That's why, if you're the type that likes shredded pork or chicken, this is a must-have for your kitchen. Make your work easier. No longer will you need to fuss with 2 forks and an hour of your time. There's something enjoyable about using these bad boys too. It gives you claws if you ever wanted to live out your profound X-Men fantasy. It's even good for tossing salads if that's more your speed. Just $13 and you've got it. Number 10, onion peeler. How haven't we progressed as a society enough to stop chopping onions yet? I know we have cutting tools out there, but it's such an unpleasant task. You're crying and your hands smell like it. God forbid you touch your eyes. No. Skip at least half of those steps and go straight for the peeler today because it's waiting for you. Number 11, hygiene savvy tongs. Ditch the spoon rest with these incredibly clever tongs. They bend at the perfect angle to make sure the grips never touch your gross counter. No matter how many times you clean that thing, you know it's germ-infested, right? One less thing to clean along the way. If only you could get all of your utensils in this shape. But for $22, it's worth having. Number 12, the pickle fork. If you love pickles, you'll know this pain. There's far too much juice in the jar. It's almost impossible to avoid it. No longer will you have to stick your hands in the jar to get a quick snack or have your poor fingers smell like it for the rest of the day. Just attach this little $6 gadget to the side of your pickle jar and you've always got the special fork on hand. Maybe this won't fit in every kitchen, but you'll feel how helpful it can be pretty quickly. Number 13, instant wine chiller. There is nothing worse than having your guest over, pulled around the table, the food's ready, but you've forgotten to chill the wine. Well, your fancy dinner parties won't suffer anymore. This instant wine chiller has your needs in mind. One of the more expensive items on the list, coming in at $47, but it will save you tons of trouble. You store it in the freezer so that you can be sure that your favorite wine is ready at the drop of a hat or a turn of the wrist. It's one of those items you might only use once or twice a month, but it's undoubtedly going to come in handy eventually. Unless you're a wine fiend, then you're probably searching for this all along. There are plenty of things out there that make your life just a little bit easier. Why not bring that same convenience into the kitchen? You deserve to take a load off. Just because you can do something without it doesn't mean you should. Your time is valuable, and so is your peace of mind, so take it a little easier next time, would you? Work smarter, not harder. You deserve it. Click one of the videos on screen right now to watch more exciting tech videos, and please subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon to turn on post notifications to show your support. This has been Topical Tech. See you next time.